Are you struggling to present your incredible vinyl record artwork designs in a truly captivating way? Do you spend valuable hours attempting to create realistic mockups only to find them lacking professionalism or visual impact? Physical prototypes are often prohibitively costly and incredibly time-consuming, leaving you searching for a much better, more efficient solution. Imagine effortlessly transforming your flat designs into stunning, photorealistic vinyl presentations within mere minutes. Introducing the Vinyl Record Mockup V2 template, your ultimate solution for professional and captivating album artwork display. This premium template is incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to simply drop your artwork into smart objects with absolute ease. Achieve breathtakingly realistic visuals that will undoubtedly impress clients and significantly elevate your entire design portfolio. Boasting a crisp 4500 by 3000 pixels at 300 dpi, your mockups look impeccably sharp and vibrantly professional for any setting. Dive into complete creative control with 2 distinct PSD files and meticulously organized layers, making customization straightforward. Easily update every single element, from the intricate record label and sleeve to the outer jacket design, all with just a few intuitive clicks. Effortlessly change backgrounds and precisely fine-tune shadows and lighting effects to perfectly match your brand aesthetic or project mood. Whether you require a detailed close-up of the vinyl itself or a comprehensive presentation of the entire album package, this versatile template has you perfectly covered. It is meticulously designed to make your work stand out effortlessly, giving all your creative designs that professional edge they genuinely deserve. Stop struggling with generic presentations and start showcasing your vinyl artwork like a true, accomplished professional today. Elevate your portfolio and profoundly impress your clients with the Vinyl Record Mockup V2 template, available right now. Find the direct link to purchase this essential design resource in the description below and unlock your design's absolute full potential.